Hi, my name is Rob Gledhill and I'm with Blue White Industries. Blue White is proud to introduce our new quick disconnect fittings for our FLEXFLO peristaltic metering pumps. Right here I have our quick disconnect fittings installed on an M4 peristaltic metering pump, which is plumbed to our chemical feed skid system just so that I can illustrate the functionality of our new fittings. Primarily, we designed these valves for two reasons. Number one, operator safety, and number two, simplicity. Usually when you're pumping chemicals into a system, the chemicals are going to be harsh. You don't want them getting all over yourself when you're performing maintenance on a metering pump. And also you're going to be pumping those harsh chemicals into a pressurized system typically. And so this discharge side of the quick disconnect fitting is designed to prevent any chemical from flowing backwards, potentially spraying or dripping all over the operator or the area surrounding the pump. So what I'd like to do now is illustrate how this actually happens. So right now we're pumping, as you can see, with a peristaltic pump. I'm looking at the flow indicator, which I'm not sure if you can see that in the video, but visually we could tell there is flow going through the plumbing. I'm looking at our chemical feed flow meter and I'm showing that we're pumping about 3,200 milliliters a minute. The pressure gauge is currently at 0 psi. So what I'm going to do is introduce back pressure by closing the discharge valve right up here. And then I'm going to quickly shut down the pump so we don't build up too much back pressure. All right, so just so you know, we do have a pressure relief valve installed, set up to a cracking pressure of 27 psi. So right now I see that our pressure is at about 30 psi, and it looks like it's going to hang out around there. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what this looks like. So we do have back pressure in the line right here. I'll disconnect the fitting, and it's that simple. There's really no chemical spill, just a few drops, and we still have about 31 psi in the system here. So it's definitely holding pressure. The operator can be now performing maintenance to the pump, and when they're done, they can quickly and safely reconnect the fitting that easily. So now what we could do is start the system back up again and be on our way. So now I'd like to go over the suction side of the quick disconnect fittings. As you can see, we have them color-coded. Red meaning high pressure warning. This is the discharge side. And white meaning low pressure. Actually, typically there's a vacuum on the suction side because it's a pump and it's pulling a vacuum to bring that chemical into the pump head. And what's unique about this valve system on the suction side is the valve is fully closed when it's not connected to the tube assembly adapter. The second you connect it, make that connection, the valve is fully open, allowing that chemical to enter into the pump head. So remember, these fittings are available for our FLEXFLO peristaltic metering pumps. If you'd like more information, log on to our website or give us a call. We'd be more than happy to help you out. Thank you.